guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I filmed for you, fun colorful Easter look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. If not, hit the bell so that you'd get your notifications when I post. I plan on posting once a week. I would have said that in my previous videos, but just to reiterate. So I hope you guys like, and let's get to it. I used my first time ever using any Juvias Place palette. This is the Zulu palette. I recently purchased this at Belarus, and I love this palette. The pigmentation is to die for, and the colors are super pretty, really pretty. this look was definitely inspired by Easter, the greens, the pinks, the purples, and I love how this turned out. It started out sort of shaky, but eventually I got it together and this is what I ended up with. So guys, thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for the continued support. We're not yet at 100 and it's almost the end of March, but I'm forever grateful for all 83, 84 of you. And again, as I said, thanks for the continued support. I really wanted to do a giveaway if I made it to 100 before the end of March, but I didn't. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe when I do hit my target, the next goal I set, I'll definitely have a giveaway. So again guys, thanks again for tuning in. I can't say thank you enough, and I can't say subscribe enough. So subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.